Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Challenger. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to get comfortable. Adjust your seat and mirrors so you have a clear view all around. Always buckle up your seatbelt securely. It's your most important safety feature. Quickly check your fuel gauge and tire pressure and get to know where the essential controls are on your dashboard. This preparation makes for a much smoother and safer drive. Now let's get this powerful machine moving. With your foot on the brake, insert the key and turn it, or simply press the start button. Once the engine purrs to life, shift into drive for forward motion. Release the parking brake if it's engaged. Gently press the accelerator pedal to start rolling, and remember to use the brake pedal smoothly and progressively when you need to slow down or come to a complete stop. It's all about a controlled touch. The Dodge Challenger is a powerful vehicle, so it's important to respect its capabilities. Practice smooth and deliberate steering inputs, especially when cornering, to maintain optimal control. Always be aware of your surroundings and keep a safe following distance from other vehicles. If your Challenger has them, experiment with the paddle shifters for a more engaging and responsive driving experience, allowing you to manually select gears. Enjoy the ride responsibly. Finally, let's talk about parking and shutting down your Challenger. When you've reached your destination, find a suitable parking spot that gives you plenty of room. Once you're in position, shift the gear selector into park and always engage the parking brake for added security. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and take a quick look around to make sure you haven't left anything behind. Your Challenger is now safely parked and ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.